After 9 hours to Doha plus another 2.5 to Amman. Alas 2 na sa Pilipinas, pero alas 9 pa lang sa Amman. Made it to Amman! I'm so tired, oh my God. Pero maganda pa rin. So this is a day in the life as a solo traveler in Jordan because busy yung mga kasama ko ngayon. So we will go to Rainbow Street. It's 11:39, tanghaling tapat. Try natin yung kanafe. Kanafe? So, I decided that unahin ko yung dessert. So, I went to Habiba for their dessert, which is the kanafe. Masarap siya. I think it tasted naman the way I expected it to taste. It was cheese and then may crunchy part sa taas. And then may budbud na pistachio. Medyo nahiya lang ako mag-vlog. Dami ko pa namang dalang camera. Pero yun, wala pa namang tao kasi I think that's dessert. And since inuna ko yung dessert, wala masyadong tao. And then, when I finished, dumating na yung ibang mga patrons of that. Para siyang famous na falafel and it's a famous falafel and hummus place. Malaki yung serving nila. Okay naman siya. Hindi ko lang gets nung una. Paano ba tayo mag-order nito? Yung menu nilang papel lang siya, so you can parang read and check what's available. Pero it was a short one, parang falafel, mutabal, hummus, and then variations of that plus drinks. I ordered hummus and falafel. Medyo madami talaga siya. I finished the hummus kasi ang sarap. It was a little bit acidic for my taste. Pero since I ordered the one with the meat, parang yun na rin yung brunch ko talaga. So I finished that and then I just took home whatever was left, which was the falafel and yung bread na kasama ng hummus. I think the falafel is the one na mas masarap kesa sa hummus. Medyo nag-hesitate lang ako pumunta dun because I read in Google Maps there was a not so nice review about it. Pero so far the experience was good. It wasn't by any means naman amazing and all. Pero I would recommend it. I went to this parang stairs na may mga graffiti in Jordan. Marami kasi silang street art. And encourage yung street art sa kanila. There are a lot of murals all around. And then I chanced upon this cute little coffee shop na parang bohemian. So yun, I spent a little bit of time there. I had an Americano which cost 2.5 dinar, which translates into 170 to 200 pesos in the Philippines, which is the same as what you will get in Makati. So I just followed Google Maps and I stumbled upon this view. Oh my god. So amazing. I'm in such awe. This little fountain. It's so cute. And the seating area with the view. And then meron silang exhibit. Hindi ko lang alam kung may bayad yung exhibit nila. Wala naman nakalagay. Main building. April to September. Rida Sadi. Kami po sa I wonder if pwede lang pumasok dito. So, binuksan ko lang yung pinto. And it's aircon. Cute nila. Actually, in my mind, medyo ganito yung itsura ng Dagored. Colorful, warm. So, I'm guessing this is the artist. Sa loob niya lang ang ginagawa. Ang ganda naman dito. So, I'm back in the hotel and haggard na ako. Pero, oh my god, I had so much fun exploring. Medyo maikli lang yung ano na yun kasi I left almost 12. So, a little before 12. And then, now I'm back. It's 3:30. Ang init lang kasi, I couldn't move around. And, hindi sila mahilig sa mga aircon na lugar. Even their Ubers, naka-open lang yung windows nila. Parang ako, girl, it's 32 degrees outside. It's part of the experience. Pero yun, medyo nahilo lang ako sa init kasi mainit talaga. And the climate is dry. So, as a precaution, and I think napagod na rin ako, bumalik na tayo sa hotel. Speaking of, let us hydrate. It's almost 4. And maybe I'll just rest for a little bit and then pick up again later.